His face is covered with snow.
It's so cold. Ah. Okay. Field, there's the bench, and you can barely see it, but right about there where the two sticks are sticking out of is the ramp Michael built in the middle of the field. Yeah, that's all that's left of it right now because of the snow. And as you can see, more snow that way. More snow that way. And the shit ton's still coming down. Pardon my language, I'm sorry. And I'm going back inside now because, well, it's cold outside. Bye-bye.